Okay children, so now we will know about our country and our state. Okay, we will know about our country. India is my country. So children, the name of our country is India, and as I told you that it is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. See the map of our country. See, हमारी country का map देखो. It look like a man standing, right? Yes, so India is our country and it has 29 states and 7 union territories. In India, we have 29 states. कितने states हैं हमारी country में? 29 and 7 union territories. Okay? And New Delhi is a capital of India. New Delhi is a capital of India. India became free on 15th August 1947. So children, in our country there was a British rule for 200 years. Approx 200 years there was a British rule and we got independence in 15th August 1947. हमारे यहाँ पे ब्रिटिशर्स का रूल था और उनसे हमें आज़ाद करवाया हमारे लीडर्स ने, है ना. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया महात्मा गांधी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस and चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद and lot more, so many, Bhagat Singh, so many much more leaders, they sacrificed their lives to get independence. इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए, फ्रीडम के लिए उन्होंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ उसी में लगा दी. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, सो वी हैव टू रिमेंबर देम ऑन दिस डे. हमको उनको याद करना है, उनको हमारी रेस्पेक्ट, वी हैव टू पे आवर रेस्पेक्ट टू देम. इंडिपेंडेंस डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 15th अगस्त. 15th अगस्त को हम लोग क्या सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? इंडिपेंडेंस डे. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो वी सेलिब्रेट अवर रिपब्लिक डे. रिपब्लिक डे हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं 26 जनवरी. 26 जनवरी को हम लोग रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. रिपब्लिक डे को हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फॉर्म हुआ था. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, यस. सो महात्मा गांधी इज अ फादर ऑफ अवर नेशन. महात्मा गांधी इज अ फादर ऑफ अवर नेशन. Our national currency. Now we are learning some of the symbols of our country. Our national currency is rupee. हमारी national currency क्या है जिससे हम लोग transactions करते हैं? That is rupee. Rupee is our national currency. Our national anthem. Our national anthem is children Jana Gana Mana. Yes, every day we sing this. Our national anthem, right children? And we have to stand every time whenever we sing this our national anthem. And our national anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. National anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national song is Vande Mataram. Our national song is Vande Mataram, right? And this is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay children, yes. Our national language is Hindi, right? As we have different states, so we speak different languages, right? We have different states, right? We speak Marathi. In Maharashtra we speak Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi language, Gujarati language in Gujarat. We speak different languages, but our national language is Hindi. Okay children? Our national emblem. Our national emblem is Ashok Chakra. Ashok Stamb. Sorry, it is Ashok Stamba. Ashok pillar. This is our national emblem. Our national festivals are Independence Day, as we are celebrating it on tomorrow, and Republic Day, which we celebrate on 26th January, and Gandhi Jayanti, That is, we celebrate on 2nd of October. So these three are our national festivals, right? We celebrate so many festivals like religious festivals, but these three, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti, is our national festival. Our national sport, हमारा नेशनल स्पोर्ट कौन सा है? हॉकी. हॉकी इज अवर नेशनल स्पोर्ट. अवर नेशनल एनिमल चिल्ड्रन, अवर नेशनल एनिमल इज टाइगर. अवर नेशनल एनिमल इज टाइगर. Our national bird is peacock. Our national bird is peacock. Our national aquatic animal is means it is the animal which lives into the sea. So which is our national aquatic animal? That is dolphin. Dolphin is our national aquatic animal. Our national flag is Tiranga. Why it is called as Tiranga, or it is also known as tricolor? Why? Because it has three colors. See, it has three colors, right? First one is a saffron, and in the middle we have a white color, and the last one is a green. Okay, children? And in the middle we have Ashok Chakra. Right? Yes. So children, our national flag is known as a Tiranga or tricolor. Our national fruit is mango. Our national fruit is mango. And our national flower is lotus. Our national flower is lotus. Remember all these things, okay? National calendar is Saka calendar. Our national calendar is Saka calendar. National park. There are so many national parks, but the big national park, our national park is Corbett National Park. National tree. Which is a national tree, children? That is banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. National river. Our national river is River Ganga, which is known as a very holy river, right? Yes, we worship this river. So, Ganga is our national river. Okay, children? So, you got lot of knowledge about our country. Okay? So, children, we always have to respect our country and all the symbols of our country. We have to learn our country. Yes, it is our pride. Our country is our pride. In India, different people lives together peacefully. They love each other, right? People speaking different languages, people of a different religions, they live together, they love each other. Okay, children? So we always respect our country and the people of our country, right? हम लोग हमारे मदर को लव करते हैं ना? Yes, and we respect करते हैं मदर को. वैसे ही हमको हमारी कंट्री को भी हमेशा लव करना चाहिए एंड उसको बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. राइट चिल्ड्रेन? Okay, so all of you, very happy Independence Day. Okay.